Hi there, welcome to Wayne's Garage. Welcome back to everybody that's been following my videos. Just going to do just a very quick one. Now I have an area that was badly above my passenger side rear tail light. Now I've taken that bad repair out, and basically what I will do later on is clean it all up, but I'm just going to make the basic template now. As you can see, just here, it's either been hit or something before, or it's had rust in it, and yeah, they've once again, like the front guard. So I'd say it's the same person that done the front guard that done this. Now, as you can know, that the HR has a bit of a rounded, not rounded, but a squarish off point above the tail light. Now, as you can see, this here was the patch that was actually put in place from behind behind it. But the thing is, they never shaped the metal to have that that squarish off shape around here. So basically what I'm planning on doing is going along, cleaning all this up, and then cleaning all along here up, so it basically comes into a point, and then I'll get a straight edge to go along that section there, and I'll make that all on there straight, so it comes to the point up here. Now what I'm going to have to do is I'm probably going to have to clean this area here up, and then clean up along the side here, and then undrill the pot rivets along here, pot rivets, spot welds I mean, and actually make the lip go around, and then tack up along here and along here. So yeah, that's the thoughts. Now basically, now this is just a rough guide for a template. What I've got is just a piece of flimsy bit of card. Now you don't need such a big sheet and that, but that's what I've got at the moment. So what I'll do is I'm just going to get there and put this down, and I'll be back. Okay. Sorry guys, it's not the best angle, I don't have a lot of room to work with. So basically, what I'm going to do is go along, lap that section there over. So basically, just crease that area, and so that's going to be my lip. So then what I'll do is go along with my Sharpie or my permanent marker, because I want a bit of overhang at the bottom, so I've got a little bit of metal to work with. Once you've got that there, just hold it in place. If you can, get up from behind. Best if you've got a friend that can help you out. And just roughly go along. Well, it's not the best, but anyway. So basically, what you're looking for So that's basically sort of what you want to look for. I don't have anyone to give me a hand at the moment, so but if you've got another person that can get in from behind or in through the tail light and just work it around. So basically just go along there. And just go along. Remember that bottom lip stays there. So that's your, that there will be your fold that goes down along the side there, and that, now you can cut it off straight at the top, but it's angled at the bottom here, and then this bit here is the bit that you need to start like the shape when you shape the metal, and that, so that's your excess there, and you've got a bit of metal to work with. So basically just come over. That's what you want, is that to sit like so, and then come over, sorry, and then you can get the camera to sit still, so you can still see. So basically then, with this bit of excess metal, because you want that to come down on that there, and that, this little bit along here will help you shape the metal in, and that to get the, so when you get there and you've got that in there, you can shape the metal to that shape just there. So yeah. However, that's just a quick one on the template for the repair there. Hopefully I can get a mate to come over on the weekend, and between him and I, we might be able to get there and have him film and I make up the panel and try and do the shaping to try and get the same shape as the tailgate. Now, also, we'll hopefully get all that Penalvan as one complete video and mold it all back in as well and smooth it all back out. Alright, thanks everyone for watching today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the videos, share them as well, as much as possible. If you've got any questions, any ideas of any more videos, I do have a bit of rust work to do on this, so every time I play another spin off I find another bit. So there'll be plenty of videos on fixing up rust repairs, and possibly maybe some more shaping the metal. Now I don't have an English wheel or a polishing hammer or anything like that. All I've got is a couple of dollies, a couple of pedal hammers, so basically everything I'll be making will be used with those tools. Also will be, as of you that don't know, this here, it's not a press. This is actually was used to make leather shoes and all that sort of stuff with. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to utilise this. I'm going to be putting it on its side. I'll be moving these here and that, so they're along the top and that. So then I can actually get some more thread bits and utilise this to use as a dolly and all that sort of stuff to help shape the metal and things like that. And that's basically all by hand and machinery. So, yeah, I will, I'm hoping, have the lower guard sections come in as soon as I got some money comes through, they're on order. They're already there for me, waiting. Just got to get them paid for. So that'll be the outer skin come. I am in the process of talking to Resto Country at the moment. They're going to help me out as best as they can for the outer inner and the pillar section as well, because I've got the bottom part missing down here. Worst comes to worst, if they can't help me out with these, I will also attempt to make them up as well. So yeah. So hopefully next week we'll be starting on the both of the front guards. Once again I'm going to try and get a mate to come around and give me a hand as well at the same time. Yeah, so I think that's about it now. Yeah, apologies, I haven't been able to do the diff videos like I wanted to, because it seems like the axles are seized in there for some reason. Don't know how I'm going to work on that, how to fix that. Got to do some more research and go from there. Worst comes to worst, the one that's under the car, that one might end up being the one that gets done now. Because I was hoping to leave that one in there. But everyone have a good day and take it easy and stay tuned for the next video. Cheerio for now.